Ellarigu namaskara. I hope you all are doing good. Welcome back to the Little Things. So it's Sunday morning and we have something exciting happening here. So behind me is this wall which we are going to paint. We had thought about this for a very long time now, so we thought why not do it today. And if you can see, we have already made some markings over here. So basically we want to do a cherry blossom tree. So let's see how it will turn out. If it turns out well, then I'll post this video or else no. See how many paint brushes he has got. Shri Ganesh. So there's no going back now. We have to do it. Is it still recording? I think so. So basically I'm a control freak, okay, and I need things to be like perfectly done, but he is like the complete opposite of me. He likes just going freehand. So it's gonna be a fun painting session. And just because I said all this doesn't mean that we are like some professional artists, okay? We are bad than amateurs, but we love doing such things, so we're just doing it for fun. I'm done. So in the beginning, when I told you guys that we both paint differently, you will get to see why I told that. Come, I'll show you. So, this is mine, okay? It's very plain, without any detailing. But Mr. Rajesh, look at here, how he has done it. Can you see? It's so uneven. Can you see this? Can you see? So, I can't paint like this. It's bothering me too much. But apparently it's his side of the wall, it seems, and he's gonna do however he wants. So, can't help. At least the birds.
ಎಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ.
At least the birds.
ಅದು ನೋಡಿ ಏನೋ ಪೇಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಇದು ಮಾಡಿದಂಗಿದೆ, ಡಿಕ್ಯಾಲ್ ಅನ್ಸ್ದಂಗಿದೆ.
Please, birds. Can I paint the birds? Birds at least. Thank you. He's giving detailing now. This was not part of the plan, but he's improvising. ನಿಂದು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾ ಡಾರ್ಕಾಗಿ?
ಮಾಡು.
So now all the branches and birds are done. We are about to stamp these flowers onto the branches. If you can see, can you see? Okay. So we had got these from Michael's. It's basically like Itsy Bitsy of India, much bigger and more options. It's really nice. So we got these stamps from them. So we're gonna try stamping these flowers because we are not so great at freehand painting, as you can already see here. So hopefully this should work.
ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಡ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ, ಅದು ಫೋಮ್ ತರ ಅದು ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಮಡ್ಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
So flop show. ಅದು ಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ. ಹಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಡ. I'm bad at this. That's proven. He's gonna do it. is it looking? ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲೇ ವೈಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾ? ಒಂದೇ ಮರದಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ತರ ಫ್ಲವರ್ಸ್ ಹೆಂಗಿರುತ್ತೆ? ಒಂದೇ ಮರದಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ವೆರೈಟಿ ಫ್ಲವರ್ಸ್ ಹೆಂಗಿರುತ್ತೆ? He wants to do two different flowers in the same tree. This is the chotu flowers. So I'm just asking him, is it possible that, is it logical that a single tree will have two different flowers? It's like, is this based on some kind of logic here?
ಪೇಂಟ್ ಖಾಲಿ ಮಾಡೋ ತನಕ ಸಮಾಧಾನ ಇಲ್ಲ ತಾನೆ. Let's not overdo it. Is it good? Is it really good?
So there you go, that's how the art turned out. I think we did a pretty good job. It's looking all good, right? So there you go. This was our small DIY project and I really think it came out well. Let me know in the comment section below, how did you guys like it? If you did like it, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I guess that's it for the day, guys, and I hope to see you all soon in my next video. I would like to wish for all of us to be blessed with abundant love, peace and happiness. Take care and do remember, life's all about the little things just like this.